Yeah, good morning, all. As we bring down the Diwali lights in our homes, we also say goodbye to all the decorations to see them next Diwali. While doing so, I wondered, is Diwali only about lights, diyas, decorations, sweets, crackers, homecoming? Immediately the reply came to my mind, it definitely isn't. Diwali is about new beginnings, sharing joys and lighting lives of everyone around us. Keeping this in mind every year, I eagerly look forward to the Joy of Giving Week at Scholars Global School, a time when our students truly embody the value of empathy, kindness, gratitude that education strives to nurture. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, A Principal's Diary by Poonam Saxena. To get into the insights of a life of a principal, A Principal's Diary will show how the journey continues. This initiative is not merely an event on our calendar. It is an experience that shapes hearts and minds, reminding us all the happiness grows when it is shared. This year, the celebration unfolded beautifully through a series of heartfelt initiatives led by our class 10th students. The Joy of Giving drive began with the morning assembly by class 10th A, readied by their teachers. Through thoughtful reflections, soulful songs, touching skit and powerful message, our young scholars conveyed the essence of sharing and caring. Following this, they went to each and every class and conveyed the message to absorb the joy by giving for not only Diwali season but throughout the year. They visited Deepti Ashram in Mitrao, Ronak Vriddhashram in Najafgarh, Triveni Vriddhashram in Kanjhavala, and Sweet Home and Orphanage in Najafgarh. They not only took gifts, but by spending precious moments with the elderly and the children, it was deeply moving to see our students conducting fun-filled games, singing songs, distributing gifts, and most importantly, offering time, attention, and affection. The smiles on the faces of the residents spoke volumes. They reflected love received and love returned. Another highlight of this program was the twinning program, which added meaningful dimension to the celebration. We proudly welcome students from nearby government schools to our campus. Together, students from both the schools engaged in art and craft, Hindi storytelling, map challenges, Tinkerfest activities, and outdoor games. The campus buzzed with laughter, curiosity, and creativity, a living example of inclusivity and collaboration. Watching children learn from one another, share resources, and celebrate diversity was truly heartwarming. Our education, after all, is most powerful when it bridges gaps and builds understanding. Through these experiences, our students learned that giving is not limited to material gifts. It is also about offering respect, empathy, time, and compassion. They discovered that generosity enriches both the giver and the receiver. As an educator and principal, the Joy of Giving Week reaffirmed our school's belief that education goes beyond academics. It is about building character, compassion, and communities. So if you like the idea, kindly like the video and share your comments if you want to know the details of the program and how to run it in your school. We would be happy to help.